Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the light on your Hunter fan remote stays on all the time and does not turn off like normal, it can be confusing because you may start wondering if the remote has a problem or if something is wrong with the fan settings. Sometimes the remote light remains active after pressing buttons, while in other situations it stays on even when the fan is not being used. This issue can happen because of stuck buttons, battery problems, signal interruptions, or a small communication issue between the remote and the fan receiver. Since the Hunter fan remote works by sending signals to the ceiling fan, even a small problem can cause unusual light behavior. The great thing is that this problem is often simple to troubleshoot without replacing the remote. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Hunter fan remote light that stays on. Try these. Step 1. Remove the batteries from the Hunter fan remote and wait briefly before using the Hunter fan remote again. Step 2. Press all buttons on the Hunter fan remote to check if any Hunter fan remote button feels stuck. Step 3. Clean the buttons and outer surface of the Hunter fan remote to remove dirt buildup. Step 4. Reinsert fresh batteries into the Hunter fan remote and test the Hunter fan remote response. Step 5. Point the Hunter fan remote directly toward the Hunter ceiling fan to refresh the Hunter fan remote connection. Step 6. Test the Hunter fan remote again and confirm the Hunter fan remote light turns off normally.